Hey fellow AI enthusiasts, are you ready to master the art of chatting with our AI buddy ChatGPT? Buckle up, today I'm going to share with you 3 things that you can take with you in your journey down into Wonderland. Remember, ordering food, dancing, trying on clothes. They'll make sense in a sec. Hey, I'm Colin Scotland, I am an AI marketing enthusiast and I love to share what I'm learning with ChatGPT and other AI technologies. I'm a marketing coach and love to implement these things in my business and help my clients to do the same. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more AI related videos. The 3 things: clarity and specificity, step by step, and experimentation. They're your 3 tips. The first one is all about clarity and specificity. Don't just ask ChatGPT random questions. Be clear, be specific. Imagine we're sat in a restaurant and the waiter comes along to take the order and we go, "I'm hungry." The waiter's gonna look at you puzzled like this, right? He has no idea what you want. Be specific. "Oh, I want that mouth-watering double cheeseburger with extra crispy fries on the side, please." Be specific, be clear. The clearer you are to ChatGPT, the better your results. Tip number 1, you need to be crystal clear and hyper specific. ChatGPT is clever, it's not psychic. You need to tell it exactly what you want. Tip number 2, think of ChatGPT as your dance partner. Make beautiful moves, guide it through the dance. You and ChatGPT are dancing together here. So imagine it in that way. You take a step, it takes a step. It takes a step, you take a step, okay? Imagine it like a dance. How does that translate into prompts? Well, you have step-by-step prompts. ChatGPT, help me to do this, and then help me to do this. ChatGPT learns, so it knows the things that have come before. You're training ChatGPT on the dance moves as you guys are stepping across the dance floor, making beautiful music together. Shall we dance? Shall we dance? Shall we dance? Shall we dance? Yeah! So lead ChatGPT through the rhythm with step-by-step or multi-part prompts. Break your prompts down into 1, 2, 3. Step together, okay? Take that dancing approach with the software. Your results will be infinitely better. Tip number 3, be playful. Experiment with prompt variations. Longer prompts, shorter prompts, more intricate prompts, very brief prompts. Play with all of these different things. Unleash your inner creative genius. Switch up your phrasing. Find that phrase that makes ChatGPT sing. It's like trying on outfits, trying on clothes. You've got to find that one that makes you look fabulous.
"Oh my dear, you look fabulous." Yeah, you look fabulous, Colin. Fabulous. I love it.
And that's a wrap, folks. With these 3 tips, you're ready to go and rock the world with your ChatGPT skills. Remember, clarity and specificity, step by step, and experimentation are the order of the day. Be playful, be creative, try these different variants, and go and rock the world with your ChatGPT skills. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more AI marketing related videos. I'll see you next time.